I'm a cop working midnights, and one night around 2 a.m., I was sitting in my cruiser doing paperwork. I noticed an older model car driving slowly through the area. Then it pulled into an abandoned parking lot and parked in the corner near the woods with the lights off. No lighting. This is for a building that is being torn down. This is not normal. So I'll look into it. I pull up to him and get out. "How are you doing?" I asked. "What's going on in this parking lot tonight?" He's got bags full of something in his back seat, and he's alone. He's an older guy, and he seems a little off. He tells me, "I'm here to feed the cats." I think to myself that this is a bullshit answer and attempt to call his bluff. "Okay, where are the..." Then like 40 cats come running out of the woods. The guy asks, "May I?" I say, sure. He gets out of the car and starts feeding the cats dry food from his bags. The closest thing I can describe it as was the scene in Ace Ventura, where his pets all come out of hiding. "Okay, go on about your business, I guess," and I left.